This is your boy, Nightcrawler Ray Ray, aka The Rooster, aka Old School Junkie, aka Mr. Tony. Sitting here cleaning my glasses, and at the delivery of my first load of the new company. So you know what? I'm not idling. I ain't wasting no fuel. I got a bunk heater. I have, I wouldn't even say it's not an APU, it's an EPU. But yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna go into detail about what company I'm with right now. I mean, it really don't matter. I came over, I'm gonna go ahead and just say it. I came over here to Nationwide Cargo. This is probably where I was gonna go in the beginning before I went over to that other place. I don't even think I should even mention their names anymore. I experienced what I did over there. I'm just gonna say this. I was not recruited over there. I didn't even know about the company until I started going through YouTube, and just hearing all the bad reviews about them. And I just, like I said before, I just couldn't believe that a company was getting such a bad freaking rep. Had to be something going on other than the shit that was going on. And it really wasn't a lot, but it was a lot, because to me, the problem with that company is directly the people who are directly in charge of your success. It's even like they don't even have any incentives to even do better. Now, like I said before too, I mean, maybe it could just be the people that I was dealing with. You never know. I mean, I'm not gonna bash nobody, because I'm sure there's people over there making some change and doing what they need to do without referrals and all that other stuff. But the straw that I pulled, it wasn't happening. And then after they realized that I was getting ready to leave, and I told them I was bringing the truck back, they was doing all kind of stuff and saying all kinds of stuff, hooking me up with the person that I wanted to talk to in the beginning. Well, not the beginning, but over the weekend, trying to get me to stay, which I commended them for that. You know what I'm saying? I just didn't want to give it another try, man. I mean, it was just too risky. So I just decided to come on over here to Nationwide, man. Matter of fact, I was hired at Nationwide that Friday when I was sitting in the truck at the Pilot over there in Carroll Springs, Illinois. While I was sitting in the truck, I took care of all my stuff and talked to Lily, which is the chick that recruited me. eventually, once I run a few loads and see how this place is gonna turn out, I'll tell you guys too. I'll start referring people over there, and I'm not gonna do it just yet because I don't think they have the right amount of equipment for overflow or influx of drivers to come over there. I don't think they're prepared for all of that. So I'm gonna give it a few weeks. All I can say is that this first load was pretty decent. So when I got the load, it was during the evening while they had just cleaned this truck out, and I was swapping all my stuff from the two trucks, and I had an 11 o'clock pickup in Rochelle, Illinois, which was about an hour away. So I had should have had all day really to go pick up the load, but in the process I was swapping out trucks, taking the truck back, just getting myself situated in the truck, and I didn't really get no sleep. So I got here yesterday an hour late, and was told I had to come back here this morning. So normally, if I would have slept, I would have drove this truck all the way through in the time that it needed to be here, but that wasn't the case. And then too, my ELD was acting up. You know, whenever you switch over to a new company and you get into an ELD and situation and all the times and the switching over from one driver to the next, blah, 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 all that little stuff, that was happening too. So that slowed me down because it was showing that I was running in violation when I shouldn't have been. So yeah, first load hiccups, it's cool, I ain't tripping. Didn't have to fuel, so I get all 75% of this load without any fuel or anything being taken out of. So that's a plus. Like I said, I do know how to fuel and I know how to run. That's really the biggest thing about trucking, period. Knowing your fuel and knowing how to run. That's the biggest. That's your biggest. It's your biggest. So, and that's gonna always, and the fuel and your fees is gonna always come out. It's gonna always come out. So those are the numbers that you need to pay attention to make it, I think. All the other stuff it's just little bitty pieces that don't even have no effect. Of course, you do your pre-trips, and always make sure the maintenance is done on your vehicles. That way you'll stay safe and warm when it's cold. But anyway, that's all I got, man. I really didn't have a whole lot. I just wanted to come on in and say, hey, appreciate the new subscribers that I got. Like, comment, subscribe on this video too, man. I'm trying to get to 100 by shit. If I can do it by the end of the month, that's cool too. Yeah, I'm gonna have videos coming out. I want to try to do a video every day. I just hadn't I just don't know what the fuck every day would consist of other than me doing this shit right here from the steering wheel. I mean, I'll probably get out and probably show the truck and all that kind of stuff. You know, everybody do that bull crap. But I probably will get on here and say something every day. So yeah, it's your boy Nightcrawler, Ray, aka the Rooster, aka Old School Junkie, aka Mr. Tony Vlogs. Like, comment, and subscribe. Love hearing from you guys. Peace.